Excel has a bit of a math ego. It thinks any long string of number is a value it needs to calculate. Because Excel follows the floating point standard, it only keeps the track of the first 15 digits of precision. If you type a 16-digit number, Excel will automatically round the 16 digit to a 0. So here are the ways you can stop Excel from fixing your numbers. So before you type the number, simply type a single quote which is called apostrophe, and here it is the apostrophe. You can see on your keyboard as well. Click on that. And now type the 16 digit. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, and hit enter. The apostrophe tells Excel that treat this as a text, not a number. So the code won't show up in the cell or when you print, but the full 16 digits will remain intact. In the second method, if you have a whole column of a 16-digit number to enter, then do this first. Select the column or range of cells. For example, 4 to 8 cells, and then right click and go to the format cells. So under the number tab, you need to select the text and click OK. And now anything you type in those cells will stay exactly as you entered it. For example, 987654321789456 and hit enter, and here you can see that. So in the third method, if you want to ensure you always enter exactly in 16 digits and don't make a typo. So select your cells and then go to the data and click on the data validations. So under the allow, you need to click on that and select the text length, and in the data you need to select equal to and type 16 in the length box and click OK. And now type 16 digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 2 1 6 5 4 9 and hit enter. So if you see something like this one, don't panic, your number is not gone. Excel is just using scientific notation to save spaces. To fix this, you need to change the number format in the home tab. Go to the and click on this journal and select the number and stretch it. So when you type 17 digits, for example, 786645347 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and so this pop-up message says this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cells. So you cannot enter more than 16 digits. So every time you have to enter 16 digits in the data validation cells. So I hope this way you can easily insert 16 digit in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.